Well, energy literacy across the board in Alberta and Canada is not where it needs to be. And there's a lot going on in the energy space right now. There's a lot of rhetoric, some real, some false. And so bringing some experts together and engaging in real dialogue is so important. So we need more and more events like this to engage with communities everywhere to talk about all the things that are going on in energy right now, which are both exciting, but for some kind of scary. And so to talk through what it all means and where we're going.
So these conversations are so important, first of all, to raise awareness on what we are working on. It's one thing to do things in the lab and keep it there, but when you bring it to the public, then people begin to look at the advances that are taking place in a given area. So I think that is important, that's key. It's also an avenue for us to interact with people from the private sector, because most of what we do here at the end of the day needs to be adopted. It's adopted by people in industry, it's adopted by people in government, so that interaction is key and crucial to the work that we are doing. And of course, the other thing is that we end up getting partners that we can work with to advance the research that we are doing.
So I think that having information and having connections also between academic researchers and between folks in industry and that are working directly on these problems are all really important, so that we kind of stay up to date on what's happening and also really understand what are the challenges that industry is facing that can help influence the questions that we as researchers are asking.